Computer Malware by Aditya Ashok Kumar. What will we learn? To define a malware, to list different types of malware, to identify symptoms of a malware attack, and to follow standard measures to prevent a malware attack. Computer Malware. Computer malware is a type of software that is designed to cause damage to a system. The term malware is a combination of two words. They are malicious and software. A malware is a software that is used or created to gain illegal access to someone's computer system. Every malware has its own unique way of spreading and causing damage, although they all spread by some kind of action triggered by the user. They can be in the form of a code, script, executable file, or a link sent over an email. Some malwares are also sent via instant messaging or social media. Apart from computers, even mobile phones are also vulnerable to malware attacks. It is very important to be aware of different types of malwares to protect our computers and mobile phones from any kind of malware attacks. Types of malware: virus, worms, Trojan horse, adware, spyware, ransomware, and rootkit. Virus. A computer virus is a program which, when executed, makes copies of it. These copies then get attached or inserted into other computer programs, data files, or the boot sector of the hard disk. All this takes place without the knowledge or the permission of the user. A virus can spread to other computers when people share the infected files through portable media, networks, or email messages. Most viruses are harmless, but some of them can damage your corrupt files and may even destroy files. Viruses can also perform other activities such as eating up the hard disk space of the computer, etc. Worms. A worm is a type of software that infects a computer and then replicates itself from one system to other without the help of its original file. The main difference between a virus and a worm is that worms are self-replicating. They can spread without any trigger from the sender. It makes use of networks to send copies of itself to other computers. They can be sent via email and messages. Trojan horse. A Trojan horse is a malicious program that appears to perform some useful and desirable function and tricks you into installing it. It can be disguised in the form of an antivirus software or drawing or gaming application. It is meant to gain unauthorized access to a computer system and provide illegal access to the user's IP addresses, passwords, and banking details. It does not replicate or copy itself like a worm, but it is programmed to cause damage or affect the security of the system. Adware. An adware is a type of malware that displays advertisements on your computer in the form of pop-ups or windows that cannot be closed and collects information about your browsing history without your permission. It redirects a user to web pages that might contain product promotions or information related to the products that the user must have previously searched in the browser. Spyware. It is a type of malware that gets installed on a computer and then keeps collecting the user's internet usage data and other sensitive information without the user's knowledge or permission. It is used to steal important information such as bank or credit card details, passwords, and other personal identification information. It aims to spy on you by keeping track of your internet activities. Spyware can affect the performance of the computer as it may install unwanted software, redirect web searches to harmful websites, change the settings of the computer, etc. Ransomware. It is the most advanced and increasingly used malware today. It is a type of malware that blocks the user's access to confidential or sensitive information stored on the computer by encrypting the files stored in the hard drive or locking down the computer system. Encryption means the conversion of information into a secret code that cannot be read without a key. It is used to threaten the victim to either publish the sensitive information or delete it until the ransom is paid. It is very dangerous type of malware as paying the ransom does not ensure that it will return access to the data or prevent it from deletion. Rootkit. A rootkit opens a backdoor to gain access into different areas of an operating system and allows the entry of other types of malware into the system. It works in the background so that the user is unable to identify any kind of activity in his system. These programs are used to provide root-level access to the computer. Symptoms of a malware attack. If a computer is infected by a malware, it shows the following symptoms. The speed of the system reduces while using an application installed on your computer or while browsing the internet. Constantly receiving annoying ads and unexpected pop-up ads while browsing the internet is a typical sign of a malware infection. Files become bigger in size, thereby reducing disk space. Existing files get modified or damaged. Your system frequently hangs, crashes, or restarts after every few minutes. You observe a sudden increase in your system's internet activity. The homepage of your browser changes without your permission. New toolbars, extensions, or plugins suddenly pop up on your browser. Your antivirus stops working or gets disabled and you are unable to update it. How to be safe from malware attacks? If you want to be safe from malwares, the simplest and the easiest step is to never visit suspicious or unknown sites on the internet. If you get an email from an unknown account, never click on it. You should also have a paid and powerful anti-malware program in your system. Every program on your computer or mobile should be updated regularly. For example, think you are browsing your internet and then suddenly pops an advertisement saying that you want something for free. If something like this happens, then never click on it. If you click on it, it will open a suspicious site and download a malware on your computer without your permission. And then it can cause damage to your files and also get all your personal information. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.